Don't be like this guy. Butter is tasty on your food, but it does not belong in your drain. Butter, along with other fats, oils, and grease, can clog sewer lines when they are washed down the drain. If lines are clogged, that can lead to sewage backups, which are messy, smelly, costly, and not fun to deal with. To avoid blocking the sewer line, follow these tips. First, wipe away excess oil, fats, and grease from all pots, pans, plates, and utensils before rinsing and washing them in the sink or dishwasher. This removes the oily residue that will clog the sewer line. Second, place your fats, oils, and grease into a clean and dry container with a leak-proof lid. Bring it to the Sierra Vista compost facility to recycle it. Follow the city of Sierra Vista on social media for more tips and tricks.